This is what it will look like when you're going to register your account. Right here, you're going to want to put your email, your username, your password, and then your date of birth. And then once you do that, you'll have to click continue. So if you put in all of your credentials correctly, you'll get this right here. And then when that's done, you're signed into Discord.
Hi.
In order to join a Discord server, you're going to need an invite, and in order to get an invite, you're going to need to get it off of somebody. So I'm going to ask my original account if I can have an invite. And there's the invite. All you have to do now is click join, and you're in. Nice. Now let's say you wanted to create your own Discord server. Well, it's actually pretty easy, but it takes lots of management, and you need to know what you're doing first. So you're going to want to go over here and press add a server, and then press create. And then fill in this whatever you want. There we go. Now click create. Now the server is set up, and then you can start working. So this section is going to be talking about all about, like, customizing your server and stuff. So first off, you already know how to set your title. You can do it right here. And then you can change your icon right here. So I'm going to change it to this. It's very beautiful. We got roles, and this is where you can, like, add roles and stuff to give to members. Like, you can make this member role, or you can make this horny gel role. Yeah, you can pretty much do whatever you want, and you can even set it to custom colors too, which is really neat. Right here is where you can upload your own emojis. So here's my first emoji, and I'm going to call it shitty emoji because it's a shitty emoji. And this is where you can work on moderation and stuff. I mean, it's recommended, but you don't have to do it. This is where you can... Now for inviting members, you want to drop down over here and then click on somebody that you want to invite. Alright, now he's in the server, and so that's basically how to invite members.
Fucking shit.
Okay, so for sending messages, this shouldn't be hard at all. Like, come on. Oh, yeah, that's how you send a message. It's that easy. It really is that easy. You should have no trouble with this. No trouble whatsoever. So if you want to display roles separately from other members, you're going to want to click this thing here and enable it. That way, it separates this from this. In order to give someone on your server a role, you're going to have to go to their name right here, and then click this, and then add whatever role you want to them. In order to create a text channel or a voice channel, you're going to want to click this thing here, and then name it whatever you want. And you can obviously give it special permissions and stuff, so certain people can join it, certain people cannot, but that is entirely up to you. Creating categories are pretty easy too. All you have to do is go over to here and press create category and name it whatever you want. Here is my new category. Now, you can create channels within these too if you'd like. As long as you have permission to insert your own images, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is click this thing, and then pick the image that you want. And there we go, there's the image. If you want, you can change your nickname too. And in order to do that, click the drop down, and then click this. And then change your nickname to whatever you want. And there, now my nickname is changed. Now, this will only apply to this Discord server. Everywhere else will refer to me as this, unless if I change my nickname to something else at that server.
bitch!
If a user on your server is being bad or is just being a downright jerk, you have the options to either kick or ban them. In order to do that, you have to click here and then click either one of these. So I'm going to kick this moron. And he's gone.
Little hero Brian, I'm coming.
It's no secret that the standard Discord profile picture is bland and stupid, so here's how to change it. What you have to do is to click user settings, and then click edit, and then change your avatar to whatever you want. And there we go, my profile has changed. Now we look a lot better.
Little hero.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
You failed!